Welcome to the Chameleon for Digital Signage video that explains how to view playback reports within the Chameleon Dashboard. To view a playback report, select the Report tab. The report screen will be shown with filter controls on the left and an empty report preview window on the right. To generate a report preview, choose Filter Criteria using the controls provided and then select View Report. The preview shown will be based on filter selections. If an export of the preview for later review is required, controls are available to generate PDF or Excel files. Report filter selection specifies which ad playback records to include in totals that are shown in the report and how those totals are to be shown or broken down. Before preview, filter selections should be made to specify the window of time to use in record selection, which devices to acquire records from, and which ads to include in totals. Before selecting a window of time for calculating record totals, a time zone should be selected to stipulate window boundary times. Options are the default of device local time, the Greenwich Mean Time standard, or the time zone specified for the customer headquarters. DeviceWorks sets this time zone for each customer when setting up customer accounts. For simplicity, leave this filter at the most common device local setting. See the Chameleon User's Guide for details on using other time zones for filtering. Next, select a simple time frame of year to see record totals for all months of a year, month to see record totals for each day of a month, or day to see record totals for each hour of a day. If totals for a more specific time frame are required, select the Custom option and then specify a start and end date and time using picker controls provided. By default, report totals are shown for all devices. To specify specific devices, select a division, site, department, or device to limit totals shown. To further filter report totals, select a specific ad. Then, only totals for the selected ad will be shown. Selectable ads will be limited by other filter selections. For example, if a specific division is selected, only ads plagued within that division are selectable. When all filters have been set, select View Report to see a report preview based on these filters. The report preview includes a graphic display. Below this display, there is a tabular breakdown, including numeric record totals that match each line on the graph and for the whole report. A flyover indication on each line shows the exact line total that matches the tabular breakdown below. For reports showing a time frame of a day or less, record totals for each hour are shown. For reports showing a time frame between a day and a month, totals for each day are shown. For all other reports, totals for each month are shown. Further breakdown of report totals is possible by selecting a breakdown filter value of division, site, department, device, or ad. Then, the contribution from each division, site, department, device, or ad to the total will be shown within the tabular breakdown. For example, selecting a report with time frame of a day with a breakdown selection of ad will show the contribution of each ad to the hourly totals within that day. In this way, ad totals can be compared. Selecting a breakdown of devices will support comparing device playback totals for the same time frame. To generate a permanent copy of a report in a PDF file format, select the PDF icon. A PDF file will be generated and, depending on the browser used for dashboard access, may be automatically downloaded and displayed within an installed PDF viewer. The file will contain both graphical and tabular data. To generate a permanent copy of a report in Excel file format, select the Excel icon. An Excel file will be generated and, depending on the browser used for dashboard access, may be automatically downloaded and displayed within Microsoft Excel. This file will contain tabular data and an Excel graph that uses that tabular data. For additional information on the Chameleon product, reference the User's Guide that is available for download from www.deviceworks.com or email DeviceWorks support using email address support@deviceworks.com.